Your Honor, I'm just being reminded that it would be important that they be remanded in a police station. Kileleshwa police station. Your Honor, I'm also being informed, and this is just for purposes of saving on time, I'm also being informed that the first accused is unwell and may require medication. To that effect, Your Honor, if you are unable to render your decision now, we would kindly beseech you that you make an order that he be taken to Nairobi Hospital for treatment, and that while at the police station, their right to counsel, to their advocates to see their clients, and the members of their family should not be curtailed. Your Honor, I thank you for that and that.
Mr. Lim, I made you rush, and then I let the tap run for the defense. I'm not sure I should limit you again. I can let you proceed until you finish. But just an indication, how long will you take?
You know, because of the abundance of kindness, we have agreed that our learned colleague, Mr. Witty, is going to respond. And he had indicated earlier 7 minutes. I think we got additional 3 minutes of the submissions, including that have been made by a president. So we mind getting 10 minutes to respond.
Thank you, Your Honor. I will undertake to do under 10 so that I don't keep my seniors here, including my president, who today seems to have forgotten the prosecution are also his members. Having said so, Your Honor, we have listened carefully to the submissions from our learned colleagues for the defense, and we understand where they come from. However, seated where I was sitting, 98. Sorry, Your Honor. I am reminded that I should go slower than my usual speech. Your Honor, I was indicating to court that with the benefit of my mathematics prowess, 98% of the submissions before you today has been on alleged, and the word alleged is chosen deliberately, alleged violation of fundamental rights and freedoms. Because that is a jurisdictional issue, my submissions will start from that point. And our invitation to this court is that when you retire, to determine the only question before you today, which is whether the respondents should be released on bail pending hearing and determination of the charges before you. That this court should be minded that whenever a court does not have jurisdiction, it must not make any more step.
Just a moment.
And that rule applies also to independent issues before you. And one such issue is whether or not this honorable court can entertain, hear, and or determine questions of alleged violation of rights and fundamental freedoms. Your Honor, the jurisdiction of the magistracy, the court to which Your Honor presides, is defined and prescribed by Section 8 of the Magistrates Court Act 2015. Section 8 is your jurisdiction to the extent that you can hear and determine alleged violations of human rights. And that section says that you can only hear questions of alleged violations of Articles 25A and B.
Just a moment.
Articles 25A and B. And that means the alleged violation of the right to legal representation, the alleged violation of the right to food, the alleged violation of the right